Remember the good old days when certain jobs took two people.
This makes dishwashing so much more fun.
I agree, my love. It makes the time fly by.
This concludes our broadcast day.
That's where innovation steps up to save the day. Life-changing technology that immediately makes your busy day easier.
Honey, can you bring me another cold one, please?
Well, folks, isn't progress fun? And once again, Spectra Precision repeats the past with premium laser solutions that save customers time and workforce money.